Alright guys, so today we're going to be trying to mimic a cookie clicker game, and we're going to make a series of it actually. We're going to choose different games off the Apple Store or any store, and we're going to try to mimic them in 10 minutes or, well, we're going to see how well it goes today. Depending on how we do, it's going to change the time, but we're going to start with 10 minutes and see how it goes. So I have the application ready here, and soon enough I'm just going to start, and I'm probably not going to talk that much because it's going to be a push to get it done. So in the top right corner you can see the time, 10 minutes, and we are just about to start. Ready, set, go. Alright, so we need to grab a picture box. We're going to have to choose the box or the image. Okay, we got a cookie here. Stretch image. Alright, that looks good to start with. Now we have to make an on-click event. Alright. I should actually change that. That's bad programming. Alright. And head back. My computer speed's really gonna have to determine how good we do here. Alright, so private. Alright. Now look at label. Alright. Okay, so cookies. Collect plus plus. Alright, now what else do I need? I need probably don't need a method for this, but I'm just going to do it anyway. So label total dot text equals not capitals, cookies clicked dot toString. What else do we need? What else? Okay, so that should be good with that. Save. Okay, now we're going to create stuff to purchase. Alright. Button. Helper, I guess we'll call them. Helper. Alright. Let's make a few more while we're here. Button. Super helper. All right, so 100,000 for that. And we'll create one more. So we have about half time left. So it's 100,000, that's a million, sure. All right, as you can see, most of the time gets taken up just doing UI stuff, but gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm just trying to do everything and like do all the buttons in one step here so we don't get too bogged down on time here. Try to close these. Okay, so if cookies clicked is greater or equal to 10,000, then this dot back color equals color dot green. All right. Cookies clicked minus equals, oh, minus equals. I think it was 10,000. I don't think it was 100,000 on this one. All right, so that should be good. All right, this one was 100, I believe. And this one was a million. I think that's a million. Yep, that's a million. All right. What else do we need? Shoot. We're gonna need like a multiplier. Damn. Private int multiplier equals 0. Okay. Multiplier plus equals 2, or multiplier equals 2. Multiplier equals 5, let's say, and multiplier equals 10, or let's say 20. Okay, this should work. Let's test it out just to make sure. Cookies clicked equals cookies clicked multiplied by nope, that's not gonna work. So cookies to add equals 1 times multiplier, and then cookies clicked plus equals cookies to add. Nope, cookies to add. All right, now we take that out. I guess we should do uint. All right, there we go. Uint, this is the issue with using unsigned ints, but I know the numbers can be huge for this. All right, we have a minute. Now let's try this out. We're gonna have to make this our main project here. All right, we might not even have any time to change anything yet by the time this loads up. Oh no. I just realized what I did. No, stop. All right. Um, just when the cookie's act, we need to update label. All right, that's all we're going to be able to do. So let's just try this out. Well, that was a fail. I'm not sure entirely why it says 0. Let's just look at it really quick to see if there's anything we can change really quick. Um, that makes sense. Cookies to add equals 0. Or cookies to clicked equals 0. All right, let's try putting a breakpoint here. I just want to figure out why this isn't working real quick. So for those of you that are in school and stuff, you can see how these timed assessments can get a bit stressful as time flies by. Oh my, okay, that makes sense. Okay, so if we change that now, it's gonna work. Take that off. So as you guys can see, just the tiniest little piece of code can just throw you off there. Like that was 1 digit and it didn't work. Yep. So see, so as I'm clicking, it's going out. I wonder if I can lower this just to show you guys that it works. Um, let's say 10. All right, let's try it again. I mean, I think it worked pretty well for my like 10 minutes. 10 minutes is not that much time, especially when you have to like consider your computer's runtime and all that stuff. Okay, we're at 10. I click that. Oh, so I wonder if I click that. Okay, so it doesn't work too bad. It there's obviously some bugs in it, but I think that went pretty well for the first part of this series. Yeah. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. In the next episode, we're going to be doing something similar to this. It's going to be a different app, obviously, another game most likely. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any suggestions on certain games, or if you have any other questions. Make sure to subscribe; it helps greatly. And I will catch you guys in the next episode, I guess. See ya.